A ride in the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.